Hello students, in this video we will see Unit Algebra Chapter 3 Linear Equation and Changing the Subject of a Formula. सबसे पहले हम ये जानेंगे कि linear equation किसे कहते हैं. We know that the general form of linear equation in one variable x is ax plus b equal to 0. Here the variable is x where a is not equal to 0 or px equal to q where p is not equal to 0. So in first exercise we have to find out the variable of the given question. Question number 1, solve a 3x minus 1 minus x plus 4 equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. We open the bracket. 3 into x is 3x, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus x, minus into plus is minus, 4 equal to x plus 5 into x is 5x, plus 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Now 3x minus x is 2x, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7, x plus 5x is 6x minus 5. Now we shift the variable on one side and constant on another side. 2x minus 6x on left hand side, माइनस 5 और ये माइनस 7 आपका यहाँ आ जाएगा राइट हैंड साइड तो प्लस 7 हो जाएगा. 2x माइनस 6x इज माइनस 4x इक्वल टू माइनस 5 प्लस 7 इज 2. So x is equal to 2 upon minus 4 and lowest fraction which is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Question number 2, find the value of x. A into x minus b into x minus a equal to a square minus b square. Again you open the bracket. A into x is ax, a into b is minus ab, minus b into x is minus bx, minus and minus plus b into a is ab equal to a square minus b square. Plus ab minus ab is cancelled. From ax minus bx we have taken x common. So a minus b in bracket equal to a square minus b square. So x is equal to a square minus b square upon a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. It is written in the form of a minus b into a plus b upon a minus b. A minus b is cancelled. Only a plus b is left. So a plus b is the answer. Understood student? Now we see the next question. Now students, question number 3. Evaluate x. Question is x upon 5 plus 2 equal to x upon 3 plus 4. Again what we will do, we shift the variable on one side and constant on another side. X minus 5 is already in left hand side. We move this x upon 3 on left hand side. The sign will change from plus x upon 3, it will become now minus x upon 3 equal to 4 is already present in right hand side. We shift this plus 2 on right hand side, becomes minus 2. Now take out the LCM of 5 and 3 which is 15. 3x minus 5x equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x equal to 2 into 15. This 15 multiply with this 2. Okay. 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. Minus 2x equal to 30. X is equal to 30 divided by minus 2 which is equal to minus 15. So the value of x is minus 15. Clear? Now next question number 4 D. 3 upon 4 bracket x plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 equal to x minus 1. Open the bracket, multiply this 3 by 4 with x, then with again with this 3 by 4 with 1. So 3 upon 4 into x is 3x upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 into 1 is 3 upon 4 minus 1 by 2 as it is equal to x minus 1. Now solve these two constant terms, 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 by taking out the LCM. So we are getting 3 minus 2 upon 4 here equal to x minus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 4. Now shift the variable on one side and constant on another side. Take out the LCM. We are getting 3x minus 4x upon 4 equal to minus 4 minus 1 upon 4, which is minus x upon 4 equal to minus 5 upon 4. Cross multiplication, minus 4x equal to minus 20. Minus and minus sign is cancelled. X is equal to 20 divided by 4. So the value of x is 5. Clear student? Now next question, question number 6. Solve for x. Again we are seeing the two portion, that is left hand side and right hand side. Do the cross multiplication. So 1 into x square is x square, 1 into x square is x square, x minus 2 into x plus 3. Multiply these two brackets, x square is cancelled, 3x minus 2x is on the one side and the constant we shift on another side. So minus 6 when shifted to this side it becomes plus 6. 3x minus 2x is x, so x is equal to 6. Okay. Now next question, question number 10. If 2x minus 3 upon 2x minus 1 equal to 3x minus 1 upon 3x plus 1 equal to p, find the value of p. First we solve these two terms, left hand side and right hand side, by doing the cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication, open the bracket, we will get 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 equal to 6x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 1. 6x square is cancelled, 2x minus 9x is minus 7x, minus 3 equal to minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x plus 1. Again shift the variable on one side, constant on another side, we will get the value of x equal to minus 2. अब स्टूडेंट ये जो x की वैल्यू माइनस 2 आई है, एक बार हम इस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रखेंगे और एक बार x की वैल्यू राइट हैंड साइड में रखेंगे. तो जब हमने 2x माइनस 3 अपॉन 2x माइनस 1 में x की वैल्यू माइनस 2 रखी, वी विल गेट द आंसर 7 अपॉन 5. सेम व्हेन वी आर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन दिस 3x माइनस 1 अपॉन 3x प्लस 1, again we are getting same 7 upon 5 and which is equal to p. It means the value of p is 7 upon 5. The value of p is 7 upon 5. Clear student? Now we see the next question. Students, question number 11 of your exercise. If p equal to 2x plus 5, q equal to 1 upon 3 into 3x minus 1 and p ratio q equal to 3 ratio 2, then find the value of x. क्या दिया है यहाँ पे कि p अपॉन q जो है, p की वैल्यू दी है, q की वैल्यू दी है and it is in the form of ratio which is equal to 3 upon 2. So now what we are observing, we are getting, when we are substituting p upon q, we are getting 2x plus 5 upon 1 upon 3 into 3x minus 1 equal to 3 ratio 2. Now you solve these two equations. Do cross multiplication here, open the bracket. When you open this bracket, you are getting 3x minus 3x upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 equal to 3 upon 2. Now 3 and 3 is cancelled, so x minus 1 upon 3 is left in this denominator. Then do the cross multiplication. 2 into 2x plus 5 is on left hand side and 3 into x minus 1 upon 3 on right hand side. Open the bracket. 2 into 2x is 4x plus 10 equal to 3x minus 3 upon 3 which is 1. 4x plus 10 equal to 3x minus 1. 4x minus 3 equal to 3x. 4x minus 3 equal to minus 1 minus 10. Variable on one side, constant on another side. So what we are getting? We are getting the value of x equal to minus 11. Clear student? Now next question of this exercise. If two sides of an equilateral triangle measure 1 upon 4 into 3x plus 1 unit and 1 upon 3 into 4x minus 1 unit, find the perimeter of the triangle. Students, we know that in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में तीनों साइड्स क्या होती हैं? इक्वल होती हैं. यहाँ पे हमें दो साइड दी हुई हैं, 1 अपॉन 4 इंटू 3x प्लस 1 एंड 1 अपॉन 3 इंटू 4x माइनस 1. क्लियर? सो व्हेन all the sides are equal in an equilateral triangle, it means that these two sides are also equal. So when we are putting this in the form of equal, we are getting 1 upon 4 into 3x plus 1 equal to 1 upon 3 into 4x minus 1. अब ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड को हम सॉल्व करके x की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे. वी ओपन द ब्रैकेट, वी आर शिफ्टिंग द वेरिएबल ऑन वन साइड, कांस्टेंट ऑन अनदर साइड, टेक आउट द एलसीएम and solve it. We are getting the value of x is equal to 1. Now we substitute this value of x is equal to 1 in one side. So when we are putting this x equal to 1 inside, 1 upon 4 into 3x plus 1, we are getting 1 upon 4, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 which is 4, 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. And when we are substituting value of x is equal to 1 in this side, 1 upon 3 into 4x minus 1, again we are getting the value of x is equal to 1. It means we are getting the side 1 and the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is sum of all sides. So which is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 3 unit. Clear student? So here this exercise is finished. Finish in your mathematics copy, and in next video we will see the next exercise, which is based on changing the subject of a formula. Clear, student? Thank you.